Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to cancel your Kling AI subscription, then here's the step-by-step guide for you. So first, sign into your Kling account. So first head over to the Kling AI website, then sign into your targeted Kling AI account where you have purchased the subscription. Now step 2 is find your subscription details. So once you're logged in, look at the lower left corner of the screen where you will find your current subscription status. Click on it and this will take you straight to the subscription management page. Here you can find. Simply click on that. And from here, manage your subscription. You can find the subscription that you have purchased. From there, you can find the manage button. Accept this subscribe special offer button or subscribe button. You can find the manage button. Simply click on this manage. Then on this page, you will see all available subscription plan. And after clicking on this manage button, you now scroll through the option and look for cancel subscription. You can find more options here. Now you have to scroll down until you find this cancel subscription button. Then you have to simply click on that, and this will lead you to the billing page in Stripe, and they will ask you to enter your email. This is just a security step to make sure no one else is canceling your subscription without your permission. Simply re-enter your email address linked to your account here. After that, you have to simply click on send, and it will send the verification code. Then you have to do is confirm the cancellation via email. It will send a confirmation email where you can find cancel subscription button in your mail, that confirmation mail. Simply click on cancel subscription and it will no longer be available to you on Kling AI. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.